Hey ladies and gentlemen, here I am to tell you how you can play the most beloved racing game series on your smartphones. Yes, the Asphalt 9 Legends has been launched for the Android devices. Well, Asphalt 8 had been a quite popular and the most loved racing game among the smartphone gamers, and that may be because of its rich graphics. Well, most of us even use the Asphalt 8 to test the phone's potential to handle extreme conditions. The Asphalt 8 really made the phone's GPU to work quite hard to handle that game. Asphalt 9 Legends had been released by Gameloft earlier this year, but unfortunately it was only for the iOS devices. But now it has recently soft launched the game in the Google Play Store, but only in the Philippines region. So that means that any device which is in the Philippines region can enjoy this game, right? But that also necessarily means that we can easily get hold of the game files from the device which is in the Philippines region. And that is what we have done exactly. We have got hold of the game files, we have patched the application to remove the license verification, and we'll be using a VPN service to bypass the Indian servers and successfully get connected to a Philippines server. So by the end of this video, you will be able to enjoy the latest Asphalt 9 Legends game on your Android smartphones. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and download the zip file which I have provided in the description box below of this video. Inside the zip file, you will find the ExpressVPN VPN application, in which you have to create a free account and just search for the Philippines server and connect to it. And then you have to copy the big game file and paste it inside your internal storage, inside the OBB folder in your Android folder. And then simply install the APK file, and then you'll be good to go. But hey, before you exhaust all your 1.5 GB of data, let me tell you that this game is designed only to run on high-end devices. And at this moment, it is reported that this game is running only on Qualcomm Snapdragon powered devices with at least 4 GB of RAM. So if you are owning a Qualcomm Snapdragon powered device such as the Redmi Note 5 Pro or the Redmi Note 5, and your device has a minimum of 4 GB of RAM, then you can download the game and enjoy it. Well, if you have unlimited data, then you can give it a shot in your device as well. And do let me know which device you are using and whether the game is running on your device in the comment section down below. Well, I am having a Mediatek device and I have tried all the methods to install this game and make it run on my device, but I was out of luck. Though you can tweak your device to make the game think that your device is running on a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and it has a minimum of 4 GB of RAM, but for that you need a root access in your device, and also you have to install some third-party applications such as the GL tools, which will be mimicking the Qualcomm Snapdragon environment for your game. But again, this is quite a risky task, as rooting may void your warranty, and also you will be running a greater risk of breaking your device. So I would suggest, if your device is not a Qualcomm Snapdragon powered, then do not worry. Just wait for a few weeks and I'm quite sure Gameloft will release the global version of this game for all devices. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to leave behind a like for this video, and also let me know if the game was successfully running on your device or not in the comment section down below. Before leaving, make sure to subscribe to this channel along with pressing the bell icon beside it, and share this video with all your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.